my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy the African Mom, and if you are new here, I'm always on with a surprise. Always on with my kitty. Yeah, kitty. Today I'm sitting down, so I can't even, yeah, so you see my kitty. Okay, thank you. So in today's video, I was going to show you how I trim my hair. You know, when I straighten my hair and then twist it, so when I took it out, it was straight and was good to trim it, you know, straighten. But then I was cleaning my daughter's closet and everything, and it was very sunny today, so I opened all the windows for nice sun, and then I think I got overwhelmed, so I couldn't show you guys the trimming part, but I did it all because my face was tired. I was looking like sick or something, so I said no, I'm not going to come on like that. So then I took a shower and then I felt good, and I washed my hair and condition it, and this is what I used to wash my hair, the rose water shampoo, and then I condition it with shea moisture. They said hydrate plus repair protein power treatment. This is it, if you can see. So that is the conditioner I use, and both was very good on my hair. My hair was soft and moistured. Yeah, very well.
You know that one is not good for my hair, the rose water.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's so bad
wow.
for me.
It was very good for my hair. First time I tried it and I like it, so I'll be using it. So those are the two things I use today, and I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner. I found it at Ross, so I bought it. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner. It's very good for my hair. So this is my washed hair, and I'm now going to put in the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to use Blue Magic for my hair today. Back in the day, this is what I was using, and it was very good, but then I stopped using it, and then I got it again and I tried, and it's still good for me, so I'm going to be using this now for some time. Yeah, so today I'm going to twist my hair wet, not straighten, kinky, wet. Yeah, so I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to put in my leave-in first. I like this leave-in conditioner. It's very good for my hair. You guys, you see my hair? You see how thick it is? Very thick. And I told you guys before, once a month or every 2 months, one time, you can blow dry your hair and twist it. It doesn't spoil the hair once it's not, there's no chemical, no pen in your hair. If it's kinky, you can do anything to it, okay? So guys, it's 10:58 and I'm here. So you guys, you saw the time. Yeah, 10:58, almost 11. And I just finished showering and washed my hair, and I'm here to show you how I twist my wet hair. I'm going to be using these 3 combs. I don't think I'll pat it. I won't use the comb I'll just use my hand to pat it and then go ahead and braid it. But I'll use this to brush my hair. That's all. Let's get on it. So see, my hair is not really tangled. It's soft because of the leave-in, and all the shampoo and the deep-in conditioner was really good for me. So I took a section, and then I'm going to use my Blue Magic. I'm going to use this to comb the hair. With me, when I'm braiding my hair, I like to lock the under. So I take the hair like this and I part it into 2, and then I use one side to go around my hair like two times. See? And then I begin to twist. I'll twist the front little tiny, and then the back I'll make it a little bigger, so I can finish up and go to bed. You know what I'm saying? A hair. I got it tonight. So, oh my God, look at my hair. Okay, and then the next one. Wow. So you see, I brush it. It's not dry. It's so soft and nice. And then now my Blue Magic. Yeah, put some oil in the hair, and then I part it into two. I go around my hair 2 times, see, and then I just twist it. I still use some little conditioner for the ends. Wow, beautiful. So I finished with this part. I'm coming to do this side too, to lie down. I just comb the hair, so now it's easy to. Okay, so I need to drink some water now. Remember, we need to drink a lot of water to get hydrated. So we should drink water. Don't let your mouth be dry. Feel yourself, love your hair, your natural kinky. I love my hair. I'm proud of my kinky hair. I love it. I can blow dry and twist it straight. Sometimes I can wash it and then do it like this. That's why I'm here to show you. You can wear your hair anyhow, okay? So now I have the back to finish. I'm going to braid it big, and then I'll go off camera and do it quick and come back and finish this little part here, and then we'll end the video. Okay? All right, so stay tuned. I'll be back. Hi, beautiful ones. I'm back. I finished with my back, as you can see. So I'm back here to finish this one on camera for you guys to see. Yeah. If the hair is dry, still use some of the leave-in to rub onto the hair from root to the ends. Woo, we're done. Yeah, so we're done now. This is my back. So now my favorite oil too. I'm going to put little around my fingertips and then rub it to this one, and then it smells so good. Yeah, that's a lot. So guys, the product I use for my hair was very good for my hair. You can give it a try. Please try it. It's very good. Again, I'll show it to you again. This is it. It's showing well, you can see. And then this is the conditioner. We are locked down in the house, so take time to take good care of your hair. Wash your hair yourself, put in conditioner, put shower cap, wait for like an hour or 2 hours, and then you rinse it, put your leave-in. When you are braiding your hair and it's dry, still add more leave-in into the hair, and rub it well and give it a try. Yeah, it's very good. And also I found my favorite, my leave-in conditioner. You can give it a try too. It's good on 4C kinky hair. It's good on it. Try and see. I'm even able to finish with my hair, fast. What is the time now? And I used my Blue Magic to seal it. It made my hair very easy and soft to braid. So give it a try. Guys, look at the time, 12:49, and we're done. I finished at 12:49. I started, I think, 10:52 or something. So I did everything today. I washed my hair, deep condition for an hour, and then I rinsed and I came to braid it just to show you guys. I love you all. Please, if you like my video, don't forget to punch on the like button to like it. Don't forget, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Ivy the African Mom. The African Mom is here to take care of you. So let us grow, okay? Bam! I'm done. Bye.